Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Bureau. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get fast personal loan with no credit check at all. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $20,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember, I will take you on a tour of its application, as well as I will also tell you all the perks and the upsides and the downsides of this personal loan. And I will also tell you about all the eligibility criteria, and remember, there is no credit check and no credit history needed. It means they will not even care about you having a credit or not having one. So without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right here is an amazing opportunity in front of you. Yes, I'm going to review this fast personal loan from Signature Federal Credit Union. And remember, there's another credit union with the name of Federal Credit Union, so don't get confused. This one is Signature Federal Credit Union. And don't worry about it, you can be a member of this credit union with no time. So it means you can get the membership, and anyone can get the membership of this credit union without any outlined requirements. So don't worry about it. So let's see what we are going to review right here. Remember, they have several products. So when it comes to the vehicle loans, personal loans, lines of credit, student loan products, mortgages, and other business lending options. But in this video, we are going to review the fast cash loans, because these loans are the ones which require no credit check or no credit history at all. So they don't care about your credit at all. So right here they say that this cash or this personal loan can be used if you are out of money or you need the fund for emergency purpose. So for example, things happen that you know that your paycheck is coming next week or right after the next week or day after tomorrow, but you need the money right now, so you can apply for it and get this loan as soon as 5 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. But what are the things that you need to do, and what is the eligibility criteria, or what are the rules you need to follow? I will tell you each and everything step by step now. So what they say that these are the details about this fast cash loans. Yes, that's what they call it, that these are cash loans. But don't worry about it, this is not a payday loan, so it does not have that crazy APR. So right here they say that you can get from $200 to $1,000. Yes, you can apply for this loan according to your needs, but the maximum amount you can get from them is $1,000. And the other one, that it has a $20 application fee. Yes, so whenever you get approved or whenever you fill out the application, and if you get approved, they will deduct that $20 from your personal loan. So what it means, what they do exactly, that if you get approved for $500 or you need $500, so what they will do, they will give you $480 instead of $500, because they will take that $20 from your money or from your loan. So keep that in mind. Now the third one is really important. You have to be employed, or you have to have a direct deposit into their checking account. So what they're saying right here, as you can see, they said the net direct deposit must come to the credit union for 2 consecutive payrolls. So it totally depends. If your payrolls get deposited into your account every week, then you can apply for this fast cash loan right after 2 weeks after having those 2 consecutive payrolls deposited into the account. If your salary comes bi-monthly, so what you can do that you can apply after a month means that your salary get deposited every 15 days, and then they need at least 2 payrolls deposited. So what you can do right here that you have to wait at least for 2 payrolls. So it totally depends that if you have weekly deposit, bi-weekly deposit, or monthly deposit. So if you have monthly deposit, you have to wait at least 2 months. Now the fourth one is that members may only have one fast cash loan at a time. So what it means that if you have already got the loan from them, then you cannot apply one more or another one on top of it. You have to first pay this whole loan back, and then you can apply for the other one. So for example, if you have taken $1,000, you have to pay back that $1,000 in full, and then you can apply for the other one, or you can say that then you will be eligible to apply for another one. Now the last one right here, that the members may only have 3 fast cash loans during 6-month period. So you can get this $200, like somewhere between $200 to $1,000. It totally depends on your need, but you can get 3 fast cash loans during 6 months. So as you can say that you can get this loan for every 2 months. So if you have taken the loan today, then you have to wait at least 2 months, and then you have to pay it back in 2 months. Then you can apply for another one right after those 2 months. Or for example, take it like this, that if you have taken the loan today and you paid it back in full next week, then right after that you can apply for another one because you have already paid the one that you have already. So now let's see that how you can become a member. It's really simple, it's really straightforward. I'm going to paste the link below in the video's description. All you need to do, you need to click right here by scrolling down at Join Signature FCU or Federal Credit Union. But remember that I've also pasted 2 links of ACORNS. This is where that you can actually invest in stocks or do your savings. If you are going to click on it and just sign up, you're gonna get $5. And if you go to COINBASE, that's a cryptocurrency exchange, if you go there and sign up and deposit $100, you can get $10, and these both things are free. So do take advantage if you want. Now let's click on Join Signature FCU with the countdown 3, 2, 1. Let's click. So as soon as I click on it, they will actually ask me that, hey, are you going to apply? So yes, if you do, then what you can do that you can apply right here. But if you're not a member, you need to click new member account. Then you need to click if you have personal account, business account, the youth account. Youth accounts are actually the student account. So if you click on personal account, as soon as you do that, they will actually open this application right in front of you. But remember, you have to be a member of Signature Federal Credit Union in order to apply for it. Now they require these papers or these documents. The first one they require is government issued driver license or your state ID or passport. The second one, they require 2 forms of address verification such as your utility bills, property tax, insurance, or bank statement. And the third one, that you have to be a US citizen or a permanent resident, or you have a work visa. But remember, now they have closed it because just a month ago they used to have the work visas as well, but now they have closed it. So now you can only get this if you are either a permanent resident or a US citizen. Then you can do that, you need to tell them that, hey, if you are a member or you're an employee of this organization, so you can just select on it. But remember, I am not going to review it in completely because you have to be a member, and being a member with them is really easy. You just need to answer some questions and then you are good to go. You can apply for it, but you have to have two direct deposits, or you can say two consecutive direct deposits. So don't forget that. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $20,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So thank you so much, and don't forget to like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.